Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alizana, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, April 26th of 2011, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. And look at this, what a nice uptrend we're having here on our daily chart. We are still making higher highs and higher lows, which means that we're still in an uptrend above all major areas of resistance on our way up, as well as above all major moving averages. Our favorite one, the 8 moving average, which is pointing higher, which is a good sign. It's a confirmation of that up run. So it means that we're still in an uptrend. We're bullish. We're above it. We're in a bullish territory right now, as well as above that red moving average, which is here on my chart. So things are looking good. And check this out. Look at the MACD. Rising. It's above the zero line, pointing north, pointing higher and higher with another positive tick, which is a good confirmation. And look at the volume. See that spike in volume right here? We're getting a little bit of a spike. Look at the one here yesterday. It was really tiny. We didn't have much things going on the markets yesterday because of the holidays. So we are back in the game and we are getting that spike in volume. We're slightly above the average. So we're sitting right at this on this moving average in here, which is the average, and we're slightly little tiny bit above it, which is a good sign. So we have that nice confirmation here as well. And check this out. What else do we see here on our chart? See that upper area of resistance that we're really close to? We're really close to it. And we talked about in here for quite a while, and it's the high back from February 16th, which was at the 5904. So we made that high in here and we pull back down to that lower area of support, and now we're back in here in this territory again. So pay really close attention to the 5904 mark tomorrow. And today, what was the high of today? It was at 5903. So we're pennies away from that. So watch it really carefully tomorrow. So again, the high of today, which is at the 5904. So if we ever get a breakout to the upside, we'll continue higher until we make another formation on our chart, like a high base or a low, or we could have a little bit of a pullback. I would like to see a little bit of a pullback, even though to that lower area of support right here at the 5790. So I would like to see a little bit of a pullback right here if we ever get one, or even to this 8 moving average. So it's pretty far away right now. So I would like to see it at least go down to that 5790. So pay close attention to that one as well. So again, look for a breakout through that 5904 tomorrow, and if we ever broke through it and then closed above it, we can continue higher, making higher highs and higher lows still. But if we do not do that, we could form a high base here at this high, and we can have at least 2 more candlesticks in here if we ever do get 2, and then that would be a high base formation, and we will need to wait for a breakout one way or the other from then. Or we could get a little bit of a pullback to that 5790. That would be a nice pullback to that lower area of support, and then we can continue higher, breaking through the 5904 to the upside again. So pay close attention to all of the areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, and also look for a confirmation with the MACD. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.